Hello, so just for fun, this is a video showing you how to use a Pringles vending machine in Japan. See, you have 3 types of Pringles to choose from, but you can only hope for your favorite, as this is a roulette-based machine, which you will discover in a little bit. It costs only 200 yen to play one game, hence only one chance to get your favorite flavor. Personally, I was going for the red Pringles, the original flavor. Let's see if I got lucky. And there you have it. Simple as that. How to use a Pringles vending machine in Japan. Thank you for watching.